Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you the top best Mido watches for men 2024 based on specifications. All the watches product buying links are given in the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for my new videos notification. Number 9. Mido Multifort Power Reserve Watch. The Multifort Power Reserve stands out for its sporty and urban design. With a diameter of 42 millimeters, the Swiss watch is equipped with the caliber 80 automatic movement. Case material, stainless steel with anthracite PVD coating. Thickness, 13.1 millimeters. Case length, 42 millimeters. Functions, date, power reserve. Movement, automatic. Water resistance, 100 meters. Number 8. Mido Multifort Mechanical Skeleton Watch. The Multifort Mechanical Skeleton Limited Edition features a high-tech titanium case with a black PVD treatment and a diameter of 44 millimeters. Its dial gives way to a skeletonized movement with a black plate decorated with Geneva stripes, the real DNA of the Multifort collection. Material, titanium. Movement type, mechanical. Water resistance, 100 meters. Number 7. Mido Ocean Star Green Dial Men's Watch. Silver tone stainless steel case and bracelet. Unidirectional rotating green ceramic bezel. Green dial with silver tone hands and dots hour markers. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Case size, 42.5 millimeters. Water-resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second. Swiss made. Number 6. Mido Multifort Patrimony Chronograph Watch. This exceptional Swiss watch is a tribute to the brand's oldest and most iconic chronograph, the Multichrono from 1937. It has a domed dial placed under a sapphire glassbox crystal and is equipped with a tachymeter scale. At the heart of the chronograph, the caliber 60 automatic movement. Case material, stainless steel with rose gold PVD coating. Thickness, 15.2 millimeters. Case length, 42 millimeters. Water resistance, 50 meters. Number 5. Mido Multifort Chronometer Blue Dial Watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Blue dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Case size, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 11.99 millimeters. Bandwidth, 22 millimeters. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second, Swiss made. Number 4. Mido Commander Big Date Swiss Watch. Stainless steel case with a two-tone silver and rose gold tone stainless steel bracelet. Fixed rose gold tone bezel. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Case thickness, 11.2 millimeters. Bandwidth, 20 millimeters. Water resistant at 50 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second. Number 3. Mido Baroncelli Tradition Watch. It honors Mido's watchmaking heritage in its most timeless form. The harmonious lines and subtle curves bestow both a rare sense of elegance and tradition on this classical collection. Fitted with latest generation technology, the automatic movement can be admired through the transparent caseback. Case material, stainless steel with rose gold PVD coating. Case length, 39 mm. Lug width, 20 mm. Functions, small second. Movement, manual. Water resistance, 30 meters. Number 2. Mido Ocean Star 200C Automatic Green Dial Men's Watch. Silver tone stainless steel case with a blue fabric strap. Unidirectional rotating blue ceramic bezel. Black dial with silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Case size, 44 mm. Case thickness, 13.3 mm. Bandwidth, 22 mm. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, GMT, second time zone, hour, minute, second, Swiss made. Number 1. Mido Ocean Star GMT Watch. Mido enriches its Ocean Star collection with a version equipped with a very practical GMT function. It clearly displays the time in 2 different time zones, home time and local time. On the back of the watch, equipped with caliber 80, which offers a power reserve of up to 80 hours, Mido has engraved the time zone indications. Case material, steel. Case diameter, 44 mm. Movement, automatic. Water resistance, 200 meters.